everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Hey, Waverly. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys. Let's go and get started. All right. I'm going to share my trading screen here. All right. Guys, we'll go over Forex. Spend some time on Forex this evening. But I want to show you guys. We've talked about equities for a while. All right. I want to show you guys what's going on here. All right. On the Dow. All right, guys. We are about, what's that? Less than 100 points. About what? Let's see here. Yeah, about 90 points away, guys, to breaking the all-time high on the Dow. That's a big deal. All right, that's a big deal. This is where we got the buy signal, and the Dow was up on Friday, almost another 300 points, 294 points on Friday. So big week, right, on the Dow. Hey, Saga, welcome, Saga. Big week on the Dow. All right, big buy signal. And again, we're going to leave this right here. Here was the all-time high, right here. And here we are looking to break through that. So I wouldn't anticipate this week breaking through, hopefully in a big way. All right, so our Monster US 30 traders, just pay attention to your systems, but that's good news. Now the Nasdaq still a bit away from the all-time high. S&P, but those will follow. All right, Russell, look at that. We got finally a green candle here on the weekly time frame last week on the Russell. All right, but the Dow is the one to watch, guys. This is the one to watch. Here we are, big candle, getting ready to break the all-time high here on the Dow. All right, so that's great news. The last time we made this high, right here, this high right here was 2021 going into 2022. So long time ago, long time. All right. So just wanted to share that. And we should see equities continue to move higher. All right. All right. We're going to go right into current positions. All right. So current positions. We're going to spend some time in Forex this evening. So current positions long in Monster Scalper. All right. Current positions, current long positions in Monster Scalper. All right. And you guys know we trade on the 240-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. New Zealand dollar buy signal all the way down here, guys, moving up nicely. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal all the way down here. Right, nice amount of pips. Right, good amount of pips here. Buy signal. Right, trending up that trend line. Right, purple support and resistance here, but green candles moving up nicely there. All right, that's New Zealand CAD. New Zealand Swiss. Right, still looking to break out. All right, pound SGD buy signal here, holding fine so far. All right, keep an eye on it, the purple support and resistance here. All right, so those are the longs. We'll look for new long opportunities this evening in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, short positions. All right, in Forex Dominator. All right, TRY, JPY, guys, a good short here. Short signal here, breaking support right here. That's redistribution. All right, redistribution, a decent markdown phase. We are deep in the markdown phase, so just keep that in mind. All right, TUR, JPY, HKD, JPY, sell short signal here. This one broke support, guys. Nice break of support here. All right, redistribution, good trade going there. All right, those are the two shorts. And again, we'll look for more opportunities this evening. long positions in Forex dominator. Long positions in Forex dominator here. All right. All right. Aussie yen, buy signal here, guys. I'm holding fine right here, holding fine. All right. Aussie yen, Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal here. I'm moving up nicely. There, euro yen gave a sell signal. All right. So euro yen, guys, we need to close that trade. So buy signal was right here. All right. Broke support, red candle, sell signal, exit signal, buy our system right here, close the trade. All right. So euro yen, you guys see it here, close that trade. Euro yen, close that trade. All right. And we'll do the same here. All right. A pound yen. Let's see how pound yen is doing. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here. White candle right here. We'll continue to hold it. Get a get a red candle sell signal by the system. Just close it. We'll hold it for now. Pound New Zealand, buy signal here. That's moving up nicely. All right, looking to break through resistance up here. SGD JPY. All right, sold. Right, sold off. Sell signal, exit signal by the system. So let's move the trend line right here. Buy signal here. So right here was our buy signal right here. All right, broke support. Perfect exit, guys. Look at this. Perfect exit. So bought right here on a break of resistance. Sold right here. Red candle. Broke support right here. Here's your white exit signal to close the trade. All right, by your system. All right, so buy signal here, sell signal, red candles, close that trade. SGD JPY. So let's remove that. SGD JPY. All right. Aussie CAD. We got some CAD pairs. All right. Been moving fine. All right. So Aussie CAD guys, buy signal here. Nice price action. Looking to break through resistance right here. And Saga is on here. Saga had a great week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Great job, Saga. Congratulations. You did really good job trading the US 30. So Saga, great job. And we should continue to see, right? Hey, Tylak, welcome. Welcome, Tylak. All right. So we should continue to see um, good trades in the US 30. We'll take a quick look at the US 30. But Saga, good job. Good job. Saga is a new trader. Saga is fairly new with us. All right. But he's getting the hang of it. So good job. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I heard from Saga with really good trades, had a great week. So good job. Good job. Keep it going. All right. So Aussie CAD buy signal is here, moving up nicely here. Pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD buy signal is here. We're looking at resistance right here, guys. Keep an eye on it. All right. The goal is to break through this resistance here. All right. If you get a white candle, right, red candle, you might want to close it. So far, it's holding. We needed to recapture, right, the trend line and then break through that resistance there. All right, that's pound CAD. And now New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, guys, look at New Zealand CAD. Buy signal here, and it's moving up that trend line nicely, right? Just following that trend line. That's exactly what we want. So nice moves in the CAD pairs. EURTRY, buy signal here. That's holding, nothing to change there. All right, I think that's all the longs. Oh, we've got a few more. EURTRY, Euro, EURHKD, buy signal is here, holding, right? We keep an eye on it, guys. We needed to get to that resistance. If you start seeing where, pulls back, all right, you get a white candle, red candle, sell signal, get out. The goal is hopefully gets to resistance and then break out. But keep an eye on it. Nothing to do yet, though. All green candles, right? Just nothing to do yet. Same thing with euro, euro dollar. All right. So buy signal is here. Just know sellers are sitting here. All right. A bit of a pullback. Let's move this. All right, but holding support right here. We need buyers to come back in, retest resistance here, and hopefully break out. All right, if it struggles here, give a white candle, just close the trade, get out. Okay, let's take a look at some of the shorts we've got. Now, equities, guys, did extremely well on Friday, right? Basically, all week, equities did really, really well over here, but we'll pay attention to those tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay? Short positions. Short positions in Forex dominator. All right. USD MXN. All right. Sell short signal is here. Just remember, guys, we do have, let's go back here. We do have a sell short signal. All right. Sell short signal on the dollar index. All right. Sell short signal, a bit of a pullback. We do expect it to sellers to come back down. Currently, right, the dollar is down. Right. We need it to, continue to come back down these candles here and then test support down here. So, um, uh, some of the dollars shorts, you still might find some opportunities. Now, they're trading low in the markdown phase. All right. So just keep that in mind. So, current short, USD MXN, sell short signal is a bit of a pullback. All right. We need sellers to come back in, push the price lower, break support. Okay. USD CNH. All right. Sell short signal is up here. All right. We have near term support right here, redistribution. All right. The goal is to get that price all the way down here. So nothing to do. Purple support and resistance. You guys can see that here. Purple support and resistance. All right. Just let it do its thing. Okay. All right. Sell short signal all the way up here. USDN. Okay. USDN. Okay. Sell short signal is here. All right. A bit of a pullback, but all red candles came back down. All right. We're looking for that price to come all the way down here to support. All right. So nothing to change, right? All red candles. That's fine. And those are the dollar pairs. USD CAD. USD CAD. Same thing here, guys. Right? Rejected resistance up here, right? Sellers rejected the resistance. This is where they brought the price all the way back down to support. Also here, and then here we are. Sell short signal is here. So far, trading well, moving lower, right? With a target here. And then we'll see what if buyers come in. We might have to buy to cover, all right, or just hopefully break through support here. All right. All right. Euro CZK. All right. Another short here, guys. Euro CZK. All right. Same thing here. Rejected resistance up here. Sell short signal came in here. All right. All red candles. The hope is, right, sellers to come back down, push that price, hopefully back down to this area. So these are range trades. Okay. Range trades. Uh, and that's Euro CZK. All right. Uh, the last one here, last short, Euro SEK. Euro SEK. All right. A decent trade going here. And then we will spend some time looking for opportunities. Okay. Rejected, right up here, guys. Rejected resistance. Sellers came back in just like they did here. Just like they did here. We have a sell short signal here. Broke support here. Trading nicely down. The goal is to get it down here. So if anyone is in it, just be patient, right? It's on the daily time frame now. So I know that's a long time frame. All right. But just you can trade it all the way down here. Now, with a lot of these, right, if you've missed it on the daily or the 240, just use your smaller time frames, okay, to find some opportunities. All right. All right. Monster futures, we do have a few positions here. All right. So, monster futures, hold on. Need to grab it here. All right. So soybean, that soybean trade, guys, is still holding here. That's long. The next trade we have is the S&P. S&P long. That's trading buy signal here. That's moving up nicely there. And then there's one short. Let's take a look at that. That's in Monster Futures. All right. Short position in Monster Futures. All right, that's lean hogs. All right, lean hogs. All right. So sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback, but it closed right here. All right, right here. So sellers need to come back down, and we're looking for a low down in this area here. All right. Choppy trading in here. All right. But if we let's frame it, and you guys will see it is breaking, it is coming out of a consolidation here. Okay. So that's resistance. Here is support. Right here, we can find pretty good support right about here. All right. Oh, we can actually go here. Right about here. All right. Sell short signal is here. We can actually bring this down a bit here. Tighter support here, resistance here. All right. So sellers are coming in here. Not a great setup, but still a decent trade. Okay. And that's lean hog, lean hogs. Okay. All right. I know we don't spend a lot of times, guys, on this area here. All right. Monster Forex tracker. All right. Going into next year, going into the new year, we'll spend some more time um, in using several of our tracking systems. We have a tracker for all the different markets. Right. The good news here, hey Solomon, welcome, is that guys, on every time frame, and I know we've been spending a lot of time on equities, but we and we've missed some opportunities in forex, right? Focusing on, we've spent a lot of time on equities, technology stocks, you know, for good reason. um, markets are doing, equity markets are doing really, really well. But if you guys look here, and with our Monster Forex tracker, right? We track everything, right? We track all the different pairs and on all the different time frames that we use. So the daily 240, 60 minute, and then the same thing here, 60, 240 daily. And if you guys just look, those of you who use Monster Scalper, we have some Monster Scalper traders here, and even Forex Dominator, you guys can see here, these are all, hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. All right. These are all yellow guys and above 20. All right. On the daily 240 and 60. So Forex is definitely moving. All right. So, we're going to spend some time. I know it's a lot of work, right? We're really busy with a lot of, these markets are moving. All right, so we are busy, but we do need to focus on these markets. All right, all right. Hey, Anthony, welcome, welcome. Okay, all right. So keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. All right, forex is moving on every single time frame. Okay, on every single time frame. We have some of you came in late, guys. This is a big deal. All right, this is a big deal. We have a buy signal on the Dow, and here we are. Right, we're getting ready to break the all-time high, right here. This candle right here, right? This is the close of last week. Here is where we close. This is the all-time high back in end of 2021, going into 2022, and this is how far we are. All right, about 90, 100 points away. So if we have an update tomorrow, guess what? we have fresh new all-time highs, right? This is the highest the market has been ever. All right, so we could see, right, buyers really come in, and you guys know what happens when we break a big resistance, right? Price really moves. Now this will affect the US 30 for sure. So our US 30 traders, right? I mentioned Saga did really well. I heard from Saga, and I heard it from a few more traders. All right. Um, but the US 30 in particular, I would wait on the NAS, right? NAS 100 isn't doing much right now. All right. But the US 30, right? Look at that trade, guys, right? Buy signal here on the 60-minute. Look at that. All right. And then look at the daily here, right? That's breaking out here on the daily. All right. Anthony, you've got your new system. We'll look to get you in your first trade. All right. This week. But guys, that's the trade right now to take advantage of that move. All right. Now, your time frames, use your time frames, right? Don't go short, right? You have buy signal on every time frame, weekly, daily, 240, 60, 30, right? 15-minute. Just wait for them to circle back and wait for your buy signals. Okay. NAS, like I said, NAS 100. I'm consolidating. So the NASDAQ is consolidating right now. Here it is right now. And we do have some SP 500 traders, right? If you wanted to take some trades here, you could, all right? But I would just, the NAS, the Dow, the US 30, that's the better trade, all right? That's the better trade right now, right? A few weeks ago, it, was the NAS, was the S&P. Right now, it is the US 30, okay? So just focus on that, all right? Monster scalper. All right. No equities tonight, guys. We will do that tomorrow. Okay. All right. We're going to go through here. All right. The number one pairs that are trading right now, um, Euro Swiss short. All right. Euro Swiss short. You've got some support down here, right? If you guys are going to short this, right? If you've missed it, right? You can wait for the pullback and then, look for sell short signals on the way back down. All right. But, it's finding some support. All right. The second is Euro pound. Same thing here. All right. Euro pound. Same thing here. Euro NZD, same thing here. So great shorts in those symbols there. All right. Now those are the top trading pairs. Okay. But let's look for some new opportunities. All right. Currently, we do not have a rotation. The last rotation we had, guys, were in the Aussie and New Zealand players, but those are done. Okay. All right. So we'll look to find individual opportunity to go long. All right. We know the dollar is short, but there, we've got some blue coming in. All right. Let's see. All right. Nothing here. USD DKK. This might be early. All right, nothing here. USD DKK. All right, so nothing here. Okay. All right, Euro PLN, nothing here. So guys, things are still short. So we have volatility, no direction, still no direction. All right. So we're in pound SGD, which is right here. Hold on. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. All right, guys. So no longs. Let's take a look at shorts. Aussie, Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD. Nothing here. All right. All right, New Zealand dollar. So we're in New Zealand dollar, guys. If you're not in it, right, on the 240, right, you can find some opportunities. So we just have to look for individual opportunities. Run look, go long. All right. If you're looking for long, New Zealand dollar, right here, New Zealand dollar, right. This on the 30-minute time frame here. 30-minute is here. 15 is gone. Even the 5-minute is gone. All right, look at the 5-minute. You might be able to still get in on the 5-minute, but that's a small time frame. Let's take a look at the 60-minute here. Don't short this. This is just for long. You guys, if you wanted to, right? 60-minute hasn't really left yet. Buy signal came in right at resistance, right about here. And it's right here. Good price action. You just have to trade on these here on the 60-minute time frame right here. Right here. On over here, it's on the 240. All right. So it's red here on the 240, right? Blue here, but red here. And but over here, look at that. So we do have a rotation going on the 260. All right. So if you guys wanted to look for some opportunities to go long now, this is long. All right. This is long. Go to your time frames. All right. And then Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. All right. So Aussie dollar, green candle, buy signal, buy signal. Right. No shorts, guys. No shorts here. All right. This is on the 60-minute time frame. All right. Now, if you wanted to, you could put this one here on the 240. All right, just like this. Now, you could do this through Monster Scalper, but you could do it through here too. All right. All right, 240 here. 3 months back. All right, so you have a fresh buy signal. So those of you looking for a trade, all right, we have a fresh buy signal on the 240 right here. All right, and we'll add this one. So Aussie AUD. Now, we don't have a rotation on the 240, but so this is an early trade here. So we're watching the 60, but we got a buy signal, clear buy signal on the 240. AUD USD long. All right, in Monster Scalper. All right, so great buy signal here. Previous trade did okay. All right, but right, buy signals on basically every time frame. Okay. Now, if you want to, if you, you could do the 60-minute here. All right. So 60-minute, right? If you don't want to go as far as the 240, buy signal here. Now that's gone a little bit here. Okay. But, if you want to, right, bring in a smaller time frame, watch it closely. You could do that. So Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD there. Aussie CAD. All right, green candles here on the weekly. Buy signal daily moving up. All right, green candles here on the 240. Buy signal on the 60. All right, so buy signal here on the 60-minute. All right. We'll wait on a buy signal on the 240, but if you guys want to, take a chance at it on the 60, you can definitely do that. Same thing with Aussie Swiss. All right. Now on the weekly, we don't have green candles yet or white candles, so just know sellers could come back in. All right, but on the daily, you've got green candles here. All right, nice markdown phase. That's the 60-minute here. Okay. All right, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, and look here, it's getting ready to break resistance right here. Okay, so a bit choppy, but a decent setup here. You guys look here on the 60-minute. Now we're just trying to find some opportunities here. Okay, that's on the 60-minute. All right. So use your time frames, guys. Use your time frames. Aussie New Zealand. Let's see here. Aussie New Zealand. Good one setting up. Not quite ready yet, right? Red candles. So sellers are still in control with that one. New Zealand dollar. Right. We're looking for long. Right. New Zealand dollar. Did we talk about this one? So buy signal here. This is a good. Now, you guys see here, right? Your on the 1 minute time frame. Not that you have to use the 1 minute. You can change that to a different time frame here, 2 minute, 3 minute. But you can use that 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute to time, right? Let's say you wanted to get in on this movie on the 60, right? You might want to wait on a green candle here, all right, to now enter that trade. All right. So use your time frames here. That's New Zealand CAD. 1 second here. Let's see. Um, uh, yeah, on the 240, it's gone. So that trade is gone. We're in this one already. Okay, but if you've missed it, the point is, if you've missed it, guys, on the 240, you can always come in here, all right, and find a time frame that you can trade it on. Okay, New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD. Look at this buy signal here on the 60. All right, so if you guys are looking for a trade long, right, green candles here on the weekly, buy signal, right, green candles here in the markup phase on the daily. Look at that, guys. All right, look at that. All right, New Zealand CAD. All right, Zayed talked about that V, right? So this is how we catch these, right? Um, Early. The 240 here, 240 looks good. Now, if you've missed it on the 240, right, here it is, clean buy signal, right, breaking resistance here on the 60-minute. If you guys don't have your new time frames, get with me. All right, nice, perfect setup here. Worst case, if it fails, right, system will give you a sell signal to get out. Okay, but every time frame, guys, every time frame, it's moving higher. Okay, all right. No, we don't send out signals on the 60. All right, only on the 240 in Monster Scalper and on the daily. All right, so but you guys find these opportunities. They're there for you. All right. Um, Swiss yen is setting up a bit of consolidation. All right. But even on the 1 minute, it's moving here. 60-minute buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Right. You've got resistance here. Right. Resistance here that could break out. But the good news is we have a small rotation going in here on the 60-minute. All right. So longs, if you guys want to look for long opportunities, right, this is where you can find those. Okay. All right. Shorts. Let's take a look at shorts. All right. The yen pairs. Yen pairs. All right. Nothing here. All right. So great shorts in dollar yen. All right. On the daily 240. Look at the 60-minute. All right. So 60-minute here. So fine. All right. Don't go long. Do not go long. Just wait for the shorts. Right. Right. Wait for the pullbacks and then look for your shorts. So 60-minute, 30-minute. Right. Good short here. All right. 15-minute. That's gone also. All right. So you can wait for those shorts. Those shorts on the 15-minute, those will close. They've been moving for a while, right? Since Friday. So wait for them to close. Do not go long and just wait for those pullbacks and then the next short. Okay. So USD JPY, and currently they're down. You see here, right? So currently they're down. All right. Let them find support, pull back, and then look for the next opportunities. Okay. All right. I think we've got one here. Are we in this one? SGD JPY short. All right. We're in TRY JPY, HKD JPY. We're not in this one here. So let's see here. SGD JPY, sell short signal is here, right? It's moving down right here. All right, we'll add this one. All right, we'll add this one. SGD JPY. If you don't want to trade it on the 240, all right, just find another time frame, but let it close first. Let that short close first. Okay, so SGD JPY short in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. Let's do this. We'll come back here. All right. So SGD JPY short right here in Monster Scalper. All right. We're in this one, HKD JPY. Pound yen. All right. We're going to add pound yen, guys. All right. Nice short signal came in here. Broke support. All right. Nice big candle here. All right. So pound yen, sell short signal. GBP JPY short in Monster Scalper right here. Okay. All right. Now, if we take a look at our time frames here, all right, we'll see white candle coming in on the daily. We'll take that. All right. Here it is on the 240. Every time frame, sellers are coming in. All right. If you don't want to trade it on the 240, right, find another time frame. Let's take a look at the 60-minute here. But remember, if you get in, here's a good setup here on the 60-minute. If you get in on that 60, you have to get out on that 60-minute. Okay. All right. 30-minute time frame. That's gone. It's gone on the 30, but 60 looks okay. All right. The other time frames, wait for them to close, then find the next trade. Okay. So that's pound yen. Euro yen. They usually run the same. Euro yen. Oh, we missed this one here. Euro yen, guys. Sell short signal here, moving down nicely. So we've missed it. You guys can come here. Come to your time frame. So Euro yen, right? Good short here going. Look at this. All right, don't go long. All right, good short going there. 60-minute, it's gone. 30-minute, it's gone on the 30-minute also. All right, so wait for it to pull back and give you a new short. Okay. All right, no sell short signal yet on the daily, but you don't need it. You've got red candles on the daily here. Okay, so right here. All right, so no sell short signal yet on the daily, but that you don't need it. All right. All right. That is euro yen. Good short here, guys. Good short going there. CAD yen. nothing here. Aussie yen, nothing yet. Okay. Very choppy there. All right. Dollar, let's see here. Dollar Swiss. If you guys normally when we see trades like this, guys, we're going to be trading differently, right? Trade with the new time frames, right? With the new time frames, you'll have a lot more opportunities, right? But you have to use the smaller time frames, okay? So trades like this, right? These are great opportunities here, all right? Now you can trade it on the 240, but then if we go here to the time frames, okay, right? Just find find a time frame that's setting up nicely, okay? All right. So let's see the 60-minute here. And what we want to do is just follow that trend, all right? It's a bit choppy there, okay? All right. Eurozar, let's see here. Now the euro pairs are mixed, guys, okay? So just be careful. But we have a new sell short signal with Eurozar. Let's see if we can make sense of it here. So here is resistance, right? So sellers are coming in here. We'll have support down here. I know it's choppy, right? Support is about here, right? Good chance it could perhaps go back down to support. So euro, ZAR, and the ZAR pairs will move. But let's take a look at pound ZAR also. Okay, pound ZAR is setting up. And then dollar ZAR. All right, so sellers are coming in dollar ZAR. So euro ZAR. All right, we'll add euro ZAR. So we're just looking. We don't have, guys, we do not have on the 240, we really do not have a rotation. All right. So we're just finding individual trades. So euros are short in monster scalper. Okay. So here's the short signal coming in. The goal is to get it back down to support. All right. So range trade here. All right. And it's a big range, right? Big range here. Okay. All right. EURTRY, all right, has a sell short signal here, but the Turkish pairs, guys, are moving higher. Where's the other one here? Yeah, it's been moving high. I would just be careful here. Okay. EURNZD. All right. If anyone, all right, if you guys wanted to trade this, just go here. All right. Now, great trade here on the 240. But if you've missed it there, all right, here's the 60-minute. Look at even the 15-minute. Okay. Daily. All right. So we could add this on in Forex Dominator. So if we go here, Forex Dominator short, EURNZD, EURNZD. Where is it? NZD right here. All right. Here's a good short here in Forex Dominator. All right. So EUR, NZD, and that's on the daily time frame. Short in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. We'll keep looking here. That's gone. That's gone. No, we're in EUR SEK short in Forex Dominator. So EUR SEK. Where is it? Right here. So we're short here already. EUR CZK. All right, we're short here already. So let's see here. That's gone. Added that. EURN, okay, just wait for a short signal there. You guys see the problem with this one? I know it looks good. Right, this one right here. Sell short signal is here, but look at support, guys. You have a lot of support right here. All right. So you don't have a lot of room to short it there. Now, with this one here, if you wanted to, not this one here, if you wanted to, EUR GBP. So let's go here, short. EUR GBP. All right, shorts, you can just find some opportunities here on your smaller time frames. Like on the 30 minutes, it's in a short already. 60-minute time frame, it's on a short. 240 daily, even your weekly, you've got a red candle here. All right. So if you had some time, right, you could wait for the 15-minute right here. All right. Just want to give you guys some opportunities. All right. So you could wait on that 15-minute, right? Have buyers come in, right? Have it roll over, wait for it to roll over, right? And wait for your next sell short signal. But because the overall trend is short. All right. It's not ready for a reversal yet. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. All right. Going into, we've launched the new time frames, guys. Going into the new year, right? You guys will have multiple time frames to trade on. Okay, so that's the goal. Euro dollar in monster scalper short. All right, we're in Euro SEK, Euro CZK. We're going to add Euro dollar. Okay, so Euro dollar short. We have Euro New Zealand in Monster in Forex Dominator, Euro ZAR in Monster Scalper. So now Euro dollar. If you guys notice, a lot of the pairs are going short rather than long. All right, but you do have some short opportunities on this, long opportunities on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, on the Aussie and Kiwi pairs. Just keep that in mind. I know we're all over the place. EURTRY, we talked about this one. I would say, we'll come back to that one. Euro SGD. That's gone. Nothing here. That's gone. If anyone is in any of these shorts, let me know. Euro N, okay. Guys, Euro N, okay. Be careful with this one here, shorten it. All right. We have yellow support and resistance here, and it's holding support here. Okay. So you might get a bounce there. Euro HKD. We'll add this one here in Monster Scalper. All right, sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback, but if you guys look here, right, sellers are coming in right here, right here. All right, so EUR, HKD, short in monster scalper. Now remember, right, you can bring in your time frames right here. All right, you can bring in your smaller time frames. Okay, all right. Almost done. No rotation. We do not have a rotation, guys. Pound, euro pound, that's gone. We're just looking for individual trades. All right, euro Swiss, that short is gone. Again, if you see a trade like this that's moving like this, now you might have support down here, but you can, go to your smaller time frames. Okay, go to your smaller time frames here. All right. We know it's definitely trending down, right? It's trending down. You could get a pullback before it starts to move lower again. Okay. EuroCAD again, right? Sell short signal is here. It's moving down nicely and it's got some potential. Support is all the way down here. All right. All the way down here is where we have support. Okay. So, all right. So we know it's moving down nicely. No near term support and resistance within the markdown phase. Okay. So it's still dropping. You could come here. All right. On the 15-minute, it already has a sell short signal. Look at the trades here, guys. Look at the trades on the 15-minute, right? All right. Let's see here. On every single time frame, right? On the 60-minute time frame, you can't go long. You just wait, be patient, wait. All right. Here's the 60-minute. All right. You could wait for this 60-minute to close. Just wait. Let it have it close and then wait for the next short. Okay. Wait for the next short. That's the 60-minute. You just have to wait. Right. Here is the 30-minute. All right. So good trade here. Right. Another good trade here. You could wait for that 30-minute. All right. To eventually close. All right. Don't chase it. It could continue to move lower, break through support down here. And, but eventually it has to close and give another trade. Okay. Another short opportunity. I mean, look at the daily, guys. Selling is just now coming in on that daily. And if you guys look here, now we're going to start doing a lot more of this, right? Going into the new year. Okay. So if you guys notice here, we have support. We have support here. And then we have resistance here. Don't be afraid. I know, we've done things a little differently in the past. Those of you who've been with us for a while, right? These markets have been consolidating. You guys know this. So we've got to trade, right? We've got to capture these ranges, right? So we want to trade these shorts here, right? Shorts, right? Want to short this here, right? Perhaps go long here, short this here, right? Go long here. This is what we just have to do, right? Otherwise, we're waiting, all right, for trades, right? Look at this. Look at this on the daily time frame, guys. Look how long this has been in consolidation here, the tight range. I know it's a wide consolidation. It's on the daily time frame, all right? But what we're looking to do on our smaller time frames is trade this long, trade this short, trade this long, trade this short, trade this long. All right. So we have to go with what the market is giving us. Okay. So we can do that, right? If we bring in the smaller time frames. Now you don't have to do a 1 minute, but certainly we can bring in a 15-minute, 30-minute, like you see here. All right. 30-minute like you see here and trade those moves, right? Once the price, and I'm done, once the price gets to that support, right, we can watch it on here and that support on the daily. Use the daily for your support and resistance, all right? Just like we do with the US 30, right? Right? So you see here, it's an early short. Yes, sellers are coming in here. right? So we know, hey, this is an early move, right? Don't go long, right? Wait for the next short, right? Hopefully we can get it down to this area here. And then, right, if it holds support here, right, then starts to go back up, right? Like, you know, we can look for longs, then look for longs, okay? And it will show up in here. They will show up in here, okay? I know it's a little different, right? We have to use both sides now, long and short, but focus on one at a time, okay? It's just what we have to do. All right. All right. So, monster scalper traders, just practice that. I know some of you have been doing that already. You've had your time frames. Practice that. It's no different than what our US 30 traders have been doing with a lot of success. Okay. And then I'll end with this. So I know you've been doing it differently, focusing on that 240 and sticking with it, guys. It just we don't have a lot of trends right now to just hold on to that 240. Right, we're gonna give a lot of that profit back if we get profits. Okay, all right. So just like we do here with the US 30, we use that daily time frame right here to give us direction. All right. And then we trade only in that direction. Okay. For example, here, the 60-minute. All right. And you guys have had a lot of success. So we want to do that with especially Forex Dominator. Okay. Now, one thing's open up. At some point, things will hopefully start to trend again. We'll get a real rotation. I can't remember. It's been so long since we've had a real rotation. All right. Then we'll then focus mainly on the 240. But until then, guys, no, there are opportunities. There's some opportunities there. Okay. But they're isolated. Okay. All right. Okay. So just practice that. Um, when we do these on Sundays and throughout the week, we'll incorporate the time frames more and more and more, and with all the systems. Okay, all right, guys. If you guys have any, I know some of you Tylac. I know we need to get you your time frames, right? We'll do that this week. All right, but if anyone has any questions on this, on using your time frames, just get with me. Okay, just get with me. Okay, all right. I think that's it. Okay, US 30 traders, don't give up on here. All right, don't give up on here. If you've missed it even on the 60-minute, all right, all right. Look for opportunities, especially with the US 30 on the smaller time frames. Okay, the 30-minute, like right here. All right, 30-minute buy signal here. And look at the type of trading, guys, it's doing here. Great trading here. And on the weekly time frame, we have a new buy signal. Look at that. On that weekly time frame, breaking out. We talked about that, right? Breaking out right here, breaking resistance. So we can anticipate, right? Nice upward trend line. Nice upward trend line, right? Right, being squeezed here. Here's your triangle looking to break out. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Practice that, practice that, practice that. Again, I know it's a little different for some of our traders been with us for a while, but these time frames, right, really, really, really work. They've helped a lot of traders. Okay. So I know Solomon, you use it, right? Saga, you use it. All right. Anthony, you're using it now. Okay. Um, so use it, use it. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Keep an eye on tech. All right, technology stocks doing really well. All right, we've talked about adding, right? Adding here. I promise I'll let you guys go. All right, but these here, We've been adding technology stocks for what, almost 3 months now, guys. 2.5 months. Adding slowly, and they're moving up. So equity markets are moving. The Nasdaq holding a bit, all right, but the overall market should pull it up. Okay, all right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Okay, bye bye.